Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Sanskar and today we'll be building the video call website and I'll be using ZEGOCLOUD for my demo. So let me first show you what we are going to build. So this is a video call website we're gonna build, web app basically. And let me copy this link and let me just join with the Raj name here. So I have joined. In the next tab, let me just copy paste this thing. And also let me just have muted myself so that no echoes would be present here. Let me know. So this is what we're gonna build, pretty much a video call just like the Google Meet. And let me close this and first of all introduce the ZEGOCLOUD here. So if you don't know about ZEGOCLOUD offers a bunch of UI kits as well as the SDK, which are pre-built UI kits for the UI components and which can be directly used to build this UI which you saw in this video. Yeah, this one. So let me just scroll down. They have a bunch of other options. If you go to the website, you can see pretty much a video call, voice call, in-app chat, and many other features like live streaming is also available with them. So you can definitely check it out. So let me just go on the ZEGOCLOUD, and yeah, for that we'll need the app IDs which you can directly get from ZEGOCLOUD. The free, you can just subscribe to it. First time it's free, but later you'll have to pay, I guess. So I'm using the free credits which they provide. So let me just start building here. So first of all, give your name, last name, country. I'm giving here India is my country, and here India. Now the work email, you can give your personal email. Just click on fill the captcha and you'll get the code directly to your mail. Once you have filled the OTP here, but meanwhile let me enter my password. I got my verification code here. Yeah. So account, I want to no, I don't want. And okay, I have read. Let me save this password for future. Company name, currently I'm giving my YouTube name, React Developer. Then company website, same as my YouTube URL. Let me just copy that. Yeah. Now I have a job title. I'm giving engineering direct. You can choose of your own choice. Give your own number. Let me select India first, and now I'm hiding the number so that you don't call on me that. Now you can see we have 10,000 minutes, and also they have advanced support plan which is currently included in the free trial. So just let me finish this, and yeah. So first of all, now we have to create a project so that we can use that project directly into our React app. So yeah. So select the voice video call API. So that I'm using that, but you can definitely check it out other ones. So let me continue. Let me give the project name here as ZEGOCLOUD demo. ZEGOCLOUD demo. With this name cannot be entered, so underscore demo. And we'll be using the UI kits, not the SDK version. So just let me finish this. It will just take a minute. Yeah, it is done. Now let me click for the web. As we are going into the web, you can check out the options on the right side, the basic configuration, group call, and other thing. So I'll be using the group call and microphone on, camera on, and other things as the default setting. Layouts, grid, auto was also good, I guess. Yeah, let me keep the auto one. Just finish this and you will get the app ID here. So this is asking me to allow. I'll have to allow this and go back to our dashboard. Let me just go back to the website, open my, okay. So as you can see, we have the app ID and the server key, server secret here. And first of all, let me close this one, and I'll be using white as my let me go to the ZEGOCLOUD. Here we are. Let me install the dependencies. It will hide. Here we go. So yarn run dev is the command, and now we have this server here. Let me copy this, and here we are. Let me open my VS Code print. So here we are, a basic white React app. Let me just delete some of the unnecessary thing like CSS and all. We don't need CSS, the default CSS. Even we will just, let me go to the ZEGOCLOUD one. So now this, for go to the ZEGOCLOUD first, click on the developers documentation here. Now go to the video call, find out more, and I'll be using the call kit here, right? And also, first of all, let me click on the web here. We are using npm package, so you'll have to install this first. Till it's installing, just scroll down, and since we are using normal React, not the Next.js, I'll just copy the whole code, and as you can check, this is the code for our app.js. So I'll just copy it and directly paste down here. It will definitely throw an error currently as we don't have ZEGOCLOUD, still it's installing. Till then, let me explain what's going on here. So first of all, we have the random ID function which will generate a random ID every time you try to join, means you open the server, the local server. It will always provide the calls, the video groups, a random ID. The get URL params is just for if you are joining from a copied URL, it will just get the URL string from the you can say if you are just suppose this is a room ID here, so it will just take the room ID ES3 to extract ESLT3 from here. We'll need this function. Okay, so this returns the URL search params, basically our queries, the queries from our router, our URL. Now it needs the app ID and server secret, so for that I'll have to go again to the ZEGOCLOUD. Here we are, console, ZEGOCLOUD. I'll definitely delete this, so no need to copy this from the video, as I'll definitely delete it later. I have copied, pasted it here. There seems to be some problem, I guess. Okay, this is installed now. This is our server URL. So here we are. So this ZEGOCLOUD function, this function my meeting, let me just, so as you can see, all the code was pretty much provided by the ZEGOCLOUD itself, and you don't have to write a bunch of you can say boilerplate or something like that. You can just copy paste the code available on the ZEGOCLOUD and you'll have a ready-made ready-made calling app here. So let me just make it name as a name, and let me copy this one so that we can join this later. And always I'm keeping my mic as mute here. Let me again go mute. So basically we are joining one C9DE from a bunch of other IDs, nothing else. So here we go. Ready-made call services are available directly into our React app, and as you can see, I haven't done anything much here, right? It was done less than 10 minutes, I guess, leaving the account creation and all things. So it's pretty much fast, and you can definitely check out. Currently this is available almost for free, but later on if you use on the productions, so you'll also get that from a company side, or you can say the clients, so you don't have to worry about that. But for the learning purpose, you can definitely check it out. And let me delete this as soon as possible. I'll delete this, don't worry about that. You can also check it out. There's like React Native, Flutter, Android, iOS. If you are building React Native apps, you can check out this. And there's much more leaving this call kit, like in-app chat, video call, AR effects, screen sharing as well. I haven't used the screen sharing option right now. We just use the video call, but you can also use that. So that's all it for this video, guys. So hope you guys got some information, and also introduction to a ZEGOCLOUD, a much needed website, I guess. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.